www.ca/travel-covid. A message from the Government of Canada.
All travelers returning from outside of Canada are subject to a mandatory 14-day self-isolation order. Violation of the order may result in a fine of $2,000. Information on COVID-19 can be found at Saskatchewan.ca. COVID-19.
This type of love don't always come and go.
This alert is issued by the Government of Saskatchewan. If you are returning to Canada from foreign travel, you must self-isolate for 14 days. This includes travel from the U.S., which now has more COVID-19 cases than any country in the world. It is the law. For more information on COVID-19, visit Saskatchewan.ca. COVID-19.
Wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a
This alert is issued by the Government of Saskatchewan. The state of emergency in Saskatchewan has been extended. Keep following the orders of the Chief Medical Health Officer. Practice physical distancing. Avoid gatherings with people outside your immediate household. Avoid unnecessary travel. Self-isolate if returning from foreign travel or if experiencing any symptoms. Wash your hands often. Together, we are reducing the risk. We can pull together by staying apart.
change my new guitar strings, mow the yard.
Travelers returning to Ontario, you are at high risk of spreading COVID-19. You are required by law to self-isolate for 14 days. Do not visit stores, family or friends. Everyone should stay home to stop the spread. Learn more at this website www.ontario.ca/page/2019-novel-coronavirus. Stop the spread. COVID-19 can be deadly. The time to act is now. Everyone but essential workers need to stay home. Only go out, if absolutely necessary, to pick up groceries, prescriptions, or go to a medical appointment. Ignoring self-isolation or physical distancing advice can have devastating effects and endanger lives. Protect yourself and others. Stay home. Learn more at https://covid-19.ontario.ca.
That I'm leaving here without you on me.
COVID-19 is deadly. Stop the spread now. Stay home. Only leave for essential groceries, prescriptions, or medical appointments. Ignoring public health direction endangers lives. Stay home. Protect yourself and others. Nova Scotia.ca Coronavirus.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Government of Alberta has issued a public health alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. Emergency. Alberta has declared a public health emergency to protect the healthcare system from COVID-19. Indoor social gatherings are the top source of transmission. All indoor social gatherings have now been banned. This ban will be enforced with $1,000 fines. For more information, www.alberta.ca COVID-OB. If you are in the affected area, for more on these enhanced measures, visit www.alberta.ca COVID-OB or call 310-0000. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Playing hits from 2K and today.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright.
This is a public health alert issued by Quebec Alert, ready in force for all of Quebec. The public health emergency remains in effect to protect lives. Gatherings contribute to the transmission of COVID-19. All gatherings remain prohibited in red zones, in public or private places, indoors or outdoors. Fines may be imposed without prior notice. Police presence has been increased. You are asked to comply with public health instructions. Let's act together to protect ourselves and others. For more information, visit www.quebec.ca/coronavirus. This is an alert in force in Quebec issued by Quebec Alert, ready to protect lives and ease pressure on the health network. A curfew will come into force this evening. Citizens are prohibited from leaving their homes or yards between 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. Police surveillance will be increased and offenders will be fined. Stay home, avoid contacts, and comply with health measures in the curfew to help curb COVID-19's spread. To obtain additional information, please visit www.quebec.ca/EAN/confinement. A stay-at-home order is in effect. Only leave home for essential purposes such as food, health care, exercise, or work. It's the law. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Learn more at ontario.ca COVID response.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark.
New COVID-19 variant detected. We are at alert level 5. Follow public health measures. Stay at home. Avoid non-essential travel. Download the COVID Alert app. Wear a non-medical mask. Maintain physical distancing. And practice good hygiene.
Tell me when it's over, know if I can play this part much longer.
A stay-at-home order is in effect. Only leave home for essential purposes such as food, health care, vaccines, exercise, or work. It's the law. Stay home, save lives. Learn more at ontario.ca COVID response.
Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait,
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Government of Alberta has issued a public health alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. New COVID-19 restrictions are in effect for the following hotspot regions: Fort McMurray, Red Deer, Grand Prairie, Calgary, Airdrie, Strathcona County, Lethbridge, Edmonton, and St. Albert. Please follow the rules, get vaccinated, and go outdoors to safely socialize while distancing to help stop the spread of COVID-19. To learn more, visit www.alberta.ca/COVIDAB or call 310-0000. If you are in the affected area, all Albertans must follow public health restrictions. All indoor social gatherings are prohibited. New additional restrictions on indoor sports, performance and fitness activities are in effect for hotspot regions. Grade 7 to 12 students in these regions must transition to online learning starting May 3rd. All province-wide measures continue to apply for all Albertans. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
The merch in that 12-passenger van in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside.
Manitoba public health officials remind everyone to stay home, leave for essentials only. Do not gather with people from outside your household. Follow public health orders and get tested if sick. For more information, visit www.manitoba.ca/COVID-19.
Alberta has declared a state of public health emergency to protect the healthcare system. New public health restrictions will be in place starting 12:01 a.m. September 16th. Please follow the rules and get vaccinated to help stop the spread of COVID-19. To learn more, visit www.alberta.ca/COVIDAB.
I'm in love. If I was to give you the world, that's anything.
This is a message from the government of Quebec, in effect for all of Quebec. In order to reduce the pressure on the healthcare system, a curfew will be in effect as of tonight. It is forbidden to be outside your home or property between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. Police surveillance will be increased, and fines will be issued to violators. Please follow the public health measures and curfew to help stop the spread of COVID-19. For more information, visit the website of the Government du Québec.